Hey guys, this is Ken number 5 in here. I'm doing a better video of my 8586 Galaxy 3713. Let me pause the TV for a minute. Alright. I bought this fan the other day at Goodwill for $6. And it was originally $8, but it was a half off sale because it's almost Easter. And yeah, so we're gonna yeah, so it has a cool startup sound. I'll capture that later. Alright, here's Hi. It's very slow at starting up too. Low. And off. Spin down. Here's the side of it. The back of it. I mean the other side of it. The back of it. The front of it again. It is a pretty heavy fan. It's not that bad. I really like it a lot. Yeah, so, now I'll capture the startup sound now. Let's flip this around. Alright. So, here's low. Okay, spin down. Here's medium. Okay, and high. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video of my 8586 Galaxy 3713. Comment, have a great Easter, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye bye.